Welcome to Uncover Jamaica. As some of you might know, Jamaica isn't just about the beaches and the rum, though we love those too. Today, we're taking a journey into a world where creativity mixes with ingenuity, where trash turns into treasure, and where art literally lights up the night. We're on a mission to uncover the heart and soul of Jamaican creativity, and we're finding it at the Art of Motivation. Located right here in Kingston, Jamaica, this artist, Shawn Ashman, also known as Lady Ash, has a vision that is brighter than a sunset. Many of these incredible pieces get life from things we usually just throw away. The talented hands of Lady Ash at the Art of Motivation take recycled materials and transform them into masterpieces. Talk about giving waste a new purpose, huh? It's like magic, but with more artistic flair and a whole lot more environmental love. Some of these artworks also glow in the dark. Imagine having one of these beauties in your space, bringing a whole new vibe when the lights go low. It's like two artworks in one, a daytime stunner and a nighttime spectacle. We managed to catch up with the brilliant mind behind all this innovation, Lady Ash. Let's hear in her own words what sparks her creativity and drives her to create these unique pieces.
Uncover Jamaica. Welcome to the Masterpiece Gallery. I am Shawn Ashman and you are uncovering art today. So, at the Masterpiece Gallery, we do many things. We do paint and sit sessions, one-on-one sessions with persons who just want to learn to paint. We have summer school, we teach kids how to do art. And of course, everything we do, we have motivation in there. That's why it's called the Art of Motivation, which is the name of our business. So what you're looking at tonight is my latest collection, not the ones at the bottom here, but the ones up top. As you can see, they are made from upcycled items. These are scraps of board, wood I got from a lumber yard. And the message is clear. It doesn't matter where you are in life. It doesn't matter where you find yourself. Even if you feel like you're downtrodden and you're on your last, you can put the broken pieces together and create something beautiful. The nails in the pieces, they represent the hard times, the struggle, the times when you're down. Pick them up, lift up yourself, and come together and move forward. Come together in a beautiful work of art, move forward and show the world what you're made of. This collection can glow in the dark because after you have revived, you're going to thrive, and the glow in the dark elements will show you how you can lift up your chin and just thrive in this wonderful place. So listen, man, uncover art, uncover the ability to express yourself and just be you and do you and show you off. Don't smile at yourself. This is 2025. And of course, I'd love for you to join us here at the Masterpiece Gallery, 16 Chelsea Avenue. Keep it locked.
There you have it, folks. The heart and soul behind the Art of Motivation, the incredible Lady Ash. Her vision and her artistry are truly something special. So, if you're looking for a piece of art with a story, a piece that sparks conversation, a piece that embodies the spirit of Jamaican innovation, then you definitely need to check out the Art of Motivation. Go take a look at her website for opening hours and location. You might just find that perfect something to bring a little Jamaican sunshine and a whole lot of artistic brilliance into your life. Let us know in the comments which of Lady Ash's creations resonates with you the most. And if you're loving these glimpses into the unique talents of Jamaica, make sure you subscribe. Until next time.